the checkout page and the place order function require the customer to log in to process. So we need to update the customer login filter to require the customer to log in. But let's log out in the front end here, and if the customer access the website with the URL, for example, checkout, and the customer must be required to log in. Also for the URL place underscore order, the customer trying to access this URL using HTTP GET method, so the server doesn't allow. Okay, so let's open the CustomerLogin Filter class. CustomerLogin Filter here, and let's specify the URLs that require login here. In this section, we add the URL checkout, and